Evening, everybody. This is June the 30th, 2025. It is approximately 8:30 p.m. We got maybe 30 minutes left of sunlight. It is nice that it's still light after 8:30. I have to tell you that. It is nice. Come October, November, and December, it will be dark at 3 and 4 o'clock p.m. So for it to be 8:30 p.m. on June 30th and for us to still have light outside, that's a blessing. So we have officially ended the first half of the year. Tomorrow when we wake up, it will be the second half of the year. Stephen, you are giving the 350 a bath. You haven't been able to do anything with it, to drive it, to put it to use, to work it for quite some time because it needs a new transmission, correct?
No, don't need a new transmission.
What was that?
It doesn't need a new one.
Oh, it does not need a new transmission?
It needs the one that's in it rebuilt.
Okay. I'm sure it's a whole lot less expensive than having a brand new one.
I would imagine.
Oh, you know what? I just thought of something, Stephen. It was July the 1st. Tomorrow is July 1st. And it was July 1st, 5 years ago that we got this truck. I remembered that tomorrow we were in Hazard, Kentucky on July the 1st, 2020 and bought this truck. 5 years. And it's been a really great truck for us, except for up until recently with the transmission going bad. Tell everybody why the transmission went bad. So the transmission went bad because we had that big skid steer. And pulling the skid steer destroyed the transmission. The weight of the skid steer, the track loader. Would that be about accurate?
Clutches are a little wore out. I might just pull it down, put a set of clutches in it. Be cheaper, quicker. I'll buy a clutch pack and put it in myself. I don't like working on automatic transmissions, but it's not that I can't, I just don't like it. There's a lot of parts in there. One brain fart and it's all over with.
Amazing truck.
Still a good truck. Just because it needs a little work don't mean it's a bad truck. Just means it's a truck being used.
It's a workhorse, a real workhorse.
If it wasn't being used, then it wouldn't need repair. Every vehicle you can use will need repair.
Well, it certainly has been a real workhorse.
That's what they're for. They're not to sit in the garage and look pretty like a Cadillac and a Harley. These are trucks. Big, powerful monsters. Able to pull around big AJs.
Yeah, that's right. Well, we're still waiting to get Joy Boy inside. We got October in, so we try to have the cats in at night. We have coyotes and we have raccoons. We have all kinds of critters that come up at night, and we try to have our cats inside. Still waiting on Joy Boy to show up. Got October in a few minutes ago. No, some of the neighbors' cats are ended up disappearing, and they've been hearing coyotes, and we don't want our cats to become coyote food.
Already road. That'd be like Tex-Mex fever. Ha 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 ha.